Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll cover LO2, understanding how network, hardware, and software components connect. Let's explore how networks communicate and how all the pieces work together. Network hardware includes devices like network cards, routers, and switches. Ethernet and wireless cards enable connectivity. Workstations and servers, such as file and printer servers, form the backbone. Routers direct data traffic, while switches connect devices within a network. Wireless devices provide flexibility and mobility in network connections. Communication in networks relies on various cabling methods. Fiber optics and coaxial cables are common types. Connectors play a crucial role in linking devices. Addressing ensures data reaches the correct destination. WAN connectivity options include broadband and ISDN. Software components are essential for network operations. Internet browsers, firewalls, and email applications facilitate communication. Operating systems manage hardware and software interactions. Utility software assists in maintaining network efficiency. Security software protects against unauthorized access and data loss. Networks face various issues like speed and cost concerns. Bandwidth and contention affect performance. Staff skills are crucial for effective network management. Downtime can disrupt operations, leading to productivity loss. Security issues include unauthorized access and data breaches. Setting up a network requires careful preparation. Components like cabling and network cards are essential. Hardware and software must be correctly configured. Security measures are vital to protect the network. Health and safety awareness ensures a safe setup environment. Setting up a simple LAN involves choosing a network type. Peer-to-peer networks are straightforward for small setups. Client-server networks offer more control and scalability. Hardware and software configuration is essential. Security measures protect data and user access. Network faults can disrupt communication. Address conflicts and network card failures are common issues. Faulty cables can lead to loss of service. Print, file, and email services may be affected. Regular maintenance helps prevent these problems. Testing ensures network functionality and connectivity. Verify that devices can communicate effectively. Addressing must be checked for accuracy. Physical connections should be secure. Regular testing helps maintain network efficiency. Security is a critical aspect of network management. Firewalls help protect against external threats. File and folder permissions control access. User rights ensure authorized access only. Regular security audits are essential. Networks facilitate communication and file transfer. User rights can be allocated for access control. File space allocation ensures efficient storage. Networks support various applications and services. Effective management enhances network performance. Troubleshooting resolves network problems. Connectivity issues often stem from IP address conflicts. Physical connections should be checked first. Software configurations may need adjustments. Effective troubleshooting minimizes downtime. Operating systems have memory-resident components. The kernel is essential for system operations. Memory non-resident components include applications. The Bootstrap program initiates system startup. These components work together for efficient operation. Hardware platforms support various operating systems. Operating systems offer program portability. User efficiency is enhanced through familiar interfaces. Systems programming languages like C or C++ are used. This compatibility improves user experience. Operating systems vary based on user needs. Single-user systems are common for personal use. Multi-user systems support multiple users simultaneously. Real-time systems prioritize immediate access. Distributed systems utilize multiple computers for processing. Embedded systems control specific equipment. They are found in devices like cars and microwaves. Mobile operating systems power small devices. iOS and Android are popular mobile platforms. Constraints include memory and power limitations. Networks encounter issues like duplicate IP addresses. IP address exhaustion can limit connectivity. DNS problems affect domain name resolution. Single workstations may face connection issues. Slow internet performance hinders productivity. This is the conclusion of the video. Understanding network components is crucial for efficient management. From hardware to software, each element plays a vital role. By addressing issues and optimizing setup, networks can operate seamlessly. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out on WhatsApp at 07484361688. We look forward to seeing you again at the next session. Thank you.